centre, left. Now it's coming. And I'll start slowing down. I'll get to where we need to be.
Now is your responsibility for observation, okay, this time.
I'm happy with that. Oh, gotta be tight on this one just to make sure I don't go to their
Good.
side of the road.
Well done. Slowly I'm increasing your responsibility for observation, okay? First I help you, but now you're gonna do it yourself. So at the crossroad, turn left, please.
Perfect. Okay, centre, left,
Mm-hmm.
indicate. Okay, perfect. And then start turning now. Start turning right.
Good.
Slowly come up to these guys.
Which way we're moving now?
So, to the right.
Okay, that's good.
Just make sure. Thank you for waiting.
Mm-hmm. And keep going. That's
And
good.
then left, go back in. Perfect.
That's nice. Keep going ahead. This time, end of the road, we are turning left.
Oh, okay. Nice.
She's emerging, so she needs to wait, okay? And we are on a major road now.
Now go to the left, so check the mirrors. And slowly go around this corner.
It's nice.
Straighten up. See there's a parked car.
Mhm.
Out and right.
This time we're gonna take first road on our left, and this is a tricky junction, so you need to
So I
deal
gotta-
with it properly.
Gotta tell this person behind me early.
Yes.
Luckily she stopped as well.
Think about your speed as well.
Yeah, it's definitely a slow one.
It's a really tricky junction, this one.
So maybe because there's no cars coming, I can stay a bit wide
Mm-hmm.
and then
Yeah.
spin, spin, spin.
Yes, that's perfect. Good, well done. Because you change the position on the right, and then you will keep spinning this way. You didn't hit the curb. Well done. Okay. Now take second road on your left. This one.
This one, yeah.
Yes. This is unmarked junction again.
Okay. And then see that there. Perfect.
Are you checking in your left mirror?
I wasn't whilst I was turning on that occasion, no.
Okay.
But I had
So,
checked before.
For every turn, check. Okay. For every turn.
So coming up to the right.
End of the road left, please.
And then I'm happy to stay out, but obviously cautiously. And then no one's behind me. And I also do want to align with the road markings.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is a stop one. Happy with that.
Good.
And then ease off.
Is your signal off, then turn it back on.
Yeah, sorry.
That's fine, it's
And that was
okay.
a wide one. I didn't really
Yes.
turn that one very well.
You know your mistakes. We're gonna back again on this.
This one?
Yes, we need to fix this because you went really wide. So we're gonna go ahead. No,
Oh,
keep going
sorry.
ahead.
Copy.
Keep going ahead. We're gonna come on the same road to fix the left turn
Okay.
because you were a little bit wide. Okay. So road bends to the left, but we don't signal here
Oh,
because
sorry.
it's a not left turn. It's not a left turn. It's fine.
Let's see the right
Good. Next left, please.
Okay. So, check mirrors. Nothing is currently behind me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Happy to stay wide at the moment just because nothing's coming. Helps me through the corner a bit faster than I was last time. So just ease up. Coming round.
Good, well done. Nice turn. Okay.
Is it second left?
Yes.
So, three
This
junctions.
time remember your observation, okay?
So after this junction, I've got centre left.
Mm-hmm.
I put the indicator on.
Good, good. Now you're looking.
Keep looking, and then going around there, climbing there.
Yes. End of the road left, please.
Okay, so centre right, pulling out. Gives it across some space. Same here. Still hanging out on the centre right. Arrows left. Come into the right area. And then I want to stop. This time I've tried to
Good.
point in the right direction.
Yes.
And then
And the reference for left turn is when your side mirror align with the corner of the curb, then you turn, so then you're not gonna hit the curb, okay?
perfect.
This is your reference.
Centre.
So when you see the corner.
Slowly.
This is fine now. Well done. Keep going. And then take next road on your left, this one.
This one, yeah.
Yes. Keep going. End of the road left, please. This is unmarked junction. And the end. Yeah, remember your reference, okay.
Okay.
So when you align this mirror with the corner, then you turn. That means your corner is there, little bit further. So
would that mean that I
So you
drive
need-
a bit
yeah,
and then
yeah,
turn?
yeah. So you just go forward a bit like this,
Mhm.
and then you turn. So we don't want to hit the curbs.
Okay, I can do that now.
Yeah, this is
And then
nice.
Stop now.
Like this. This is a perfect reference. Yes. So for every left turn, we use our left mirror for reference. Now keep going ahead. End of the road, we are turning left.
Okay. Oh. So.
Okay. So where are we gonna check now?
So we are checking the far right.
Yes.
And then pulling it slowly. Oh, what's happening
It's
here?
okay. He just stopped for some reason. Maybe it'll move out. Yeah, he'll go now because he just seen our car. Keep going ahead, and at the